Pine-Sol CloroxPro Multi-Surface Cleaner, Original Pine, 60 ounces. The Pine-Sol CloroxPro Multi-Surface Cleaner is a versatile all-purpose cleaner with a refreshing original pine scent. Here are the key points about this product. Benefits. Effective cleaning. Pine-Sol removes tough messes on both indoor and outdoor surfaces, including floors, appliances, showers, sinks, and more. Concentrated formula. The concentrated formula can be diluted to deliver 72 gallons of effective cleaning product, making it suitable for heavy cleaning and light touch-ups. Safe on surfaces. It is safe for use on a wide variety of surfaces, leaving them clean and deodorized. Long-lasting fresh scent. The lavender clean scent lingers after cleaning. Drawbacks. Noise level. Some users find it less quiet during operation. Not industrial grade, designed for general cleaning, not heavy-duty industrial use. Overall, the Pine-Sol CloroxPro Multi-Surface Cleaner offers effective cleaning, versatility, and a pleasant scent. At a price of $7.47 for a 60-ounce bottle, it's a reliable choice for various cleaning needs.